Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll walk you through the entire process of upgrading your PC to Windows 11 25H2. Even if your system doesn't meet the standard hardware requirements, whether you're currently using Windows 10 or Windows 11 24H2, this method will work for both. We'll use a free tool that makes it easy to bypass the Microsoft account requirement and skip hardware checks like TPM, secure boot, and minimum RAM. Before we start, like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. First, open your browser. Search for Windows 11 25H2 ISO. Open first official Microsoft website. On the website, scroll down to ISO download section. From the drop-down, select Windows 11 ISO file and click Confirm. Now choose your system language. Before you select one, check your system language so you pick the correct version. To confirm it, go to Settings, then Time and Language, and then Language and Region, and look under Windows Display Language. For example, here it says English United States. After selecting, click Confirm. Now click the 64-bit button to start downloading. The ISO file is about 7 GB, so depending on your internet speed, it might take a few minutes. Next, we'll grab Rufus, the tool that helps create our bootable USB. We won't install Windows directly from the USB, we'll only use the USB to extract the installation files. Search for Rufus. Click the official website and download the latest version. Once both downloads are ready, open Rufus. Now plug in a USB drive with at least 8 GB of free space. Rufus will detect it automatically. Click Select and choose the Windows 11 file you just downloaded. Now here we need to choose the correct partition scheme based on your BIOS mode. If you don't know whether your system uses UEFI or legacy, go to the search bar and type System Information. Look for BIOS mode. If it says UEFI, choose GPT and Rufus. If it says legacy, select MBR. Finally, click Start, and Rufus will show a window with several customization options. Skip TPM, secure boot, RAM checks, and bypass the Microsoft account requirement. Once you've made your selections, click OK. It will then start creating your bootable Windows 11 USB drive. This can take a few minutes, so just wait until you see ready. When it's done, close it. Now open the USB drive. You will see a setup file. Now run setup file here. Windows will start preparing the installation. Choose if you want updates or not. Accept the terms. Now click here and choose if you want to keep the files or not. And then choose Install to begin upgrading. You'll notice there are no TPM or secure boot errors even on unsupported hardware. And here your Windows 11 25H2 will start installing. And that's it! Your PC is now upgraded to Windows 11 version 25H2 with all the latest features. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share your feedback in the comments section.